Thank you so much. I quite propagate open book examination. And so I have my papers in front of me. Okay, so TED is all about ideas worth spreading. Have you listened to a story? Have you ever listened to a story? Say yes or no. Yeah, I'm asking you a question. Now imagine there are no stories. Imagine there are no fables. Imagine there are no fairy tales. Imagine there are no anecdotes when you sit around the bonfire just looking at each other. It's hard to imagine. Is it hard to imagine? Yes, it is hard to imagine because stories are more than entertainment. Stories are a fabric of how we think, of how we connect, and how we innovate. I don't know this boy. Do you know this boy? Do you know this boy? No, but we all know his story. Yeah? So that is the power of stories. And as we said, stories are the language of ideas. If you have the best idea, it'll fail because you don't have a story to tell the idea. Am I right? So stop watching the screen. Start telling stories. Okay. So something very interesting, and this is called neural coupling. You know what? The moment I started to tell you the story about this boy, probably you also started to relate to an instance where you heard a story from one of your grandparents. Am I right? Yeah? So that is what connects us to the story. You know, there was an interesting experiment which happened where the storyteller was made to sit and the listener was made to sit, and the moment the storyteller started to tell the story, the same part in the brain ignited as it was in the mind of the one who was listening. So this is neural coupling, and this is what helps. So next time onwards, if you want somebody to listen to you, कुछ बात मनवानी हो ना, आप भी तो मम्मी पापा जब छोटे थे तो ऐसे करते थे, and immediately parents would listen to you. Or vice versa. When we were kids, we never did this. Simple. Stories. Okay. Now, stories fuel the ideas. Ideas are the seeds of change. Whatever we are sitting over here. The other day I was just sitting and imagining, what if my grandfather would come alive? He will not be able to cross the road also. He'll say, मैं किधर आ गया हूँ? ये वही दुनिया जिसे मैं छोड़ के गया था. Zoom! The car would pass. फोन बजेगा, ए क्या हो रहा है? किधर से आवाज आ रही है? तो मैं भूतों की दुनिया में आ गया हूँ. Yeah, he would possibly think that my grandfather, if he was to be alive today, he died like good 45 years ago. And in 45 years, look what we've done to the world. It is the ideas, not you. Yeah? Okay, so ideas are the seeds of change, but stories are the sunlight and the water that help the ideas grow. So if you just have an idea and not a story, dump it. A groundbreaking idea will fall flat. But wrapped in a compelling story, it will inspire you to take an action. Oh, she did this, I can also do it. Let me tell you, there is a story to this. Now, I left my job in 1998. I didn't know what to do. I thought I'll become a teacher because I wanted to spend time with my son. He is the culprit of me becoming a storyteller today. Now what next? The best thing for anybody in India is to become a teacher. You come to school with your child, you go back home with your child. But let me tell you, it doesn't happen now. And you know, when I was in school, I was an outstanding student, standing out of the class. But when I went on to do this teacher's training course, I stopped my institute because my passion was there in storytelling. I did not even realize it then. But an idea struck me. Kuch to different karna hai. And that one idea created me, the storyteller. And way back in 2013, this was not such a great profession. And I went on to do a workshop in the city called Kanpur for the teachers. And this was through a publisher. And the marketing head of this publishing house, she was the one who was arranging everything. And after my workshop got over, she was super happy. 6 months down the time, I get a call. Semi, I've quit my job. I'm into storytelling. An idea that changed my life, an idea that changed her life. Ideas, stories are the language of ideas, and that is the reason why I'm telling you this story. Okay. Stories are not just the way to share ideas, they are the language of ideas. They inspire us, they connect us, and move us to do an action. Okay, by the way, have you heard of this song titled Stay With Me? Stay With Me? Have you heard this song? Okay, it is by a guy called Sam Smith. Sam's girlfriend ditched him. Heartbroken. He thought, let me write about it. He wrote about it. And that song went on to get him 4 Grammys and 1 Song of the Year. Where do ideas come from? Problem! Next time somebody breaks your heart, don't just sit and cry. You never know, you might be winning the next Grammy. Also, stories like, okay, let me come to something serious. You've heard of Malala Yousafzai? Yeah? So her touching story of surviving a Taliban attack on advocating girls' education isn't just a personal tale. Her stories, her book, I Am Malala, inspired global movement to improve education access to girls. That is the power of an idea. But that doesn't mean you just think of an idea and sit over it. Somebody will write a book on it someday. That doesn't happen. Okay? Another very interesting, so when I was researching about how stories are the language of ideas, I came across this another interesting story of Martin Luther King Jr. In the year 1963, before I was born, he told a story of a dream of black and white children holding hands together. Just that vivid thought, the vision, it kind of, this vivid narrative helped listeners to imagine a better future and inspired a civil rights movement. That is the power of an idea. Okay, I could go on, but there is a time limit to this. I would like to now conclude the session by asking you something. And my question to you is, so what is the story that you have to tell? Don't just listen to me and sleep over it. Yeah? So what is the story that you have to tell? What idea will you bring to life through a story? The world is listening as you are listening to me. And your story might change it. Because an idea can change a life. What an idea, Sergi!